Very often it happens that our strategy is in live entered status and all the open positions of our strategy become zero. That is that we have no open positions in the strategy, yet the status is stuck in live entered status. In this video, I will show you how can your strategy identify when you have no open positions and then automatically get converted from live entered status into a status called exited, so that you can begin with into a status called exited, so that you can begin with the next run counter of your strategy. So in this strategy, I'm using a sample strategy wherein you buy a call and a put at 9:20 every day. And in this strategy, I basically want to trigger a universal exit every time that the call strategy, the call takes an entry and either the target or stop loss is hit. After that, the put takes an entry and either the target or stop loss is met. So let's get straight into it. In order to first check if my entry has taken place or not. So in your universal exit, you need to first check if your entry has taken a trade in the first place. So in order to do that, I will first use a keyword called position detail. So I'll just select. So first, in fact, before that, I'll first add a group. So I'll select on this group and I will add one group. Now after adding the group, I'll use my first keyword as position detail. Now using position detail, I'll basically check if my entry has traded or not. So I'll basically check if entry quantity of Nifty 50 is not equal to 0. This way, I will get to know if my entry has taken a trade or not. So now by using this part, I have basically made sure that this part of the strategy has already taken a trade. By making sure that my entry has taken a trade, I will now want to check if my positions, like all the open positions, are 0 or not. So in order to make sure that I have no open positions, I will now again select position detail. And in position detail, I'll select condition type as all. And I also have a video in detail on position detail. So you can have a look at those two videos. And I will select position detail all quantity is equal to number 0. So this way you can use these two position detail keywords in order to one, check if the entry has taken a trade. Then you can also check if all the positions are squared off or not. So in certain situations where you have multiple different sets, it is also possible that one set would be taking a buy and the other set would be taking a sell. And in that case, a usage of position detail may not be able to be used properly. So in that case, you can use another keyword called traded instrument. So I will first use traded instrument as a standalone keyword. I will select entry price of Nifty 50. And I'll select set 1 condition leg 1, and then I will again add one more condition. I'll copy this and I'll paste this. Now I will use leg 2. So this way, by doing this, I am basically in the case when I cannot use position detail, I'm basically making sure that my entry condition has taken a trade. After that, I will now again use my my traded instrument keyword. And now I will check if my repair once has taken a trade. So I'll select repair once out here. And in my leg number, I'll select 1. So I want the first repair once to be checked. So I want to check if the repair once, set 1, condition 1 and leg 1 have taken a trade. Now, in addition to that, I will also check if my second repair once has taken a trade. So in order to do that, I'll select repair once, set 1, condition number 2 and leg 1. So now you can see what I have done. I have used position detail in order to which would be generally used for one set strategies, where I'm checking position detail entry all quantity is not equal to 0, and I'm also checking position detail all quantity is equal to 0. This will make sure that I have 0 open positions. If let's say I don't want to do that for any reason, I don't want to select position detail, I can directly use the traded instrument keyword. So traded instrument keyword, just used as a standalone keyword like this in each and a different condition line, can basically give you the same result, where you're checking that You're checking in a sequential basis that one, has this entry taken place or not, has this leg been traded or not. Then it will check, has this leg been traded or not. So traded instrument entry 111 and 112, have they been traded or not. After that, you'll be able to check the repair ones. So has set 1 condition 1 leg 1 of the repair ones been traded. If the same is traded, then it will check if set 1 condition 2 leg 1 has been traded of repair ones or not. So using this method, you can trigger a universal exit once you have 0 open positions left in your strategy. So this way, by triggering your universal exit, you can have a reactivation time. So you can select a timeout here. Instead of 12 hours, you can select something like 2 minutes. So based on this reactivation time, your strategy after the exited status, because when universal exit will be triggered, the strategy status will be changed to exited, and after the exited status, your strategy will wait for that reactivation period. After the reactivation period, it will take a new trade based on your entry conditions of the strategy. So I hope this video helped you. If you need more such videos, you can let us know in the comment section. And of course, do like, comment, and subscribe to this video. It helps us a lot. Thank you.